Is your Ford F150 pedal feeling a bit wonky? Let's dive into why your Ford F150 Accelerator pedal might not be working. First off, check for any obvious damage. Sometimes it's as simple as a bent pedal or a loose connection. Next, let's talk about the throttle position sensor or TPS. This sensor tells your engine how much gas you're giving it. If it's faulty, your pedal might not respond right. You can test it with a multimeter or just replace it. Another common issue is a dirty or stuck throttle body. The throttle body controls the air going into your engine. If it's clogged, your pedal won't work like it should. Clean it with some throttle body cleaner and a brush. Also, don't forget the wiring. Look for any frayed wires or loose connections. These can mess with the signals from your pedal to the engine. If you've checked all these and still have issues, it might be the electronic control module, or ECM. The ECM is like the brain of your truck, and if it's not working, your pedal won't either. This might need a pro to diagnose and fix. So to recap, check for damage, test your TPS, clean the throttle body, inspect the wiring, and consider the ECM. With a little elbow grease, you can get that F150 back on the road in no time. That's it for now. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Drive safe out there.